Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my name. My name is Dian Suluh Kusuma Dewi. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo. Respected guys, ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I will be presenting the result of a study entitled The Evolution of Government Towards Smart Governance and AI-Based Decision Support System. This presentation will discuss how the development of e-government no longer stopped at the digitalization of administration, but has shifted towards smart governance that emphasize the integration of artificial intelligence as a decision-making support in government. Right. For introduction, the development of information and communication technology is driving a major transformation in government administration. Whereas a government previously focused on digitalizing basic services such as public administration. The government is now facing more complex demand, namely providing the that are responsive, adaptive, and data-driven. The condition has prompted the emergency of the concept of smart government, which is a governance approach that only utilizes digital technology but also integrates it with the policymaking process and government management in systematic way. One of the key elements in this transformation is uses artificial intelligence and based decision support system or AIDS. Research reports article aims to analyze the evolution of government toward smart governance by applying special attention to how AIDS can be effectively integrated into one, public policy formulation, two, decision-making process, and three, in the delivery of government services. In the words, this study seeks to answer how AI can enhance the quality of governmental governance. Research methods. This research method use an explanatory sequential mixed method approach. The first stage is a bibliometric analysis using the first viewer tools to identify global research trend on the evaluation of a government. The second stage is an AI-based quantitative analysis to see how algorithm can predict public service performance and administrative obstacles. The third stage is qualitative depending through exploring the challenges of AI implementation of bureaucracy. This combined approach provides a more comprehensive picture of the paradigm shift towards smart governance. Bibliometric findings. First viewer analyze produce four main cluster in the development of the government research, namely one, digital technology, two, policy framework, three, transformation management, and four, big data. This cluster show that global research is no longer solely focused on administrative digitalization, but has moved toward data-driven governance that emphasizes the integration of technology with organizational process, cross-sector collaboration, and evidence-based policy decision-making. Quantitative finding. Through AI-based quantitative modeling, research shows that AI can, one, detect pattern in public service performance, two, predict the potential administrative obstacles, three, provide data-driven policy recommendation. With this capacity, AI is no longer just a technological tool, but can function as a strategic partner for the government in improving the accuracy and speed of decision making. Qualitative findings, however, this study also identifies several key challenges in the implementation of AI in the public sector. These challenges include one, limitation in data, interoperability between government agencies. Two, gaps in digital competency among officials. Three, issues of ethics and data security. And four, bureaucratic resistance to change. These findings underscore that the success of smart governance depends not only on technology but also on the readiness of both human and institution. Shift toward smart governance. The integration of AI as a base public policy process marks a major paradigm shift from e-government to smart governance. This shift includes one, technological transformation, two, institutional transformation, three, strengthening culture and collaboration, and four, utilizing data as a strategic asset. Smart governance means that the government is able to leverage data optimally, collaborate across sector, and produce policies that are more adaptive and responsive to the need of society. This study concludes that AI-based public policy process has a great potential to improve the quality of policy making, the efficiency of public service, as well as government transparency and accountability. However, this transformation must be accompanied by one, strengthening the digital competence of officials, two, developing an ethic framework for AI use, three, improving national data interoperability, and four, building a collaboration ecosystem between the government academia, and the private sector. The integration of this technology is ultimately expanded to promote governance that is more effective, adaptive, and oriented toward the needs of society. Hmm. Uh, we have four recommendation for the next research, data interoperability standardization, strengthening digital competencies of civil servant, and AI ethics in the public sector, and cross-sector collaboration. That concludes my presentation on the evolution of e-government towards smart governance with the integration of AI DSS. I hope this explanation can provide a clear picture of the direction of government digital transformation in the future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.